Sam from Applied Concepts here. If you're restoring a vintage tractor, a lot of people ask us which blasting media should we be using. So today here we're going to show you. As you can see, we have some vintage Ford panels here. We've got the side bonnet, the main control panel, lower half and the fuel tank. So we're going to be using fine crushed glass blasting this. We're going to be using our Aquablaster, and you will see even on the lovely curved surfaces here, we're going to get a lovely finish on the steel, cleaning it all back down for full restoration. This whole tractor is going to be resprayed. So we're going to get into the blasting, and we'll stop halfway through and we'll show you the comparison video between the rust and the new fresh steel underneath. I just said I'd stop in the middle of blasting. Before we started, this machine was empty. I put one 25 kilo bag of fine crushed glass. I'll show you what the fine looks like. Right? That's what your fine crushed glass looks like. It's about the consistency of sugar. Right? It's made up of windscreen glass. Right? So this one 25 kilo bag did all of these panels. Right? So these two side panels here. You have your fuel tank, the whole way around the fuel tank. It's done this whole console panel, and about a third of the bottom on the front of the tractor. So we've gotten quite a lot out of one 25 kilo bag. I'll probably use one more bag, just tidying up the side here and doing the inside of these panels and the little bits there. But two 25 kilo bags to do all of these panels is very good, very efficient. It's all about using the right pressure and the right abrasive for what you're blasting. So we've just finished the job, two 25 kilo bags of fine crushed glass, and as you can see, all the panels are spotless. We went around everything and bringing it back to a nice kind of 8,000 grit sandpaper texture on here. Perfect for primer now. We'll get some lovely paint on them soon enough. You can see even little bits and pieces around where the fuel tank. It's a lot of thin metal and everything, and it's perfect, no holes or anything. If you're wondering what kind of abrasive to use, or you want information or advice on machinery for blasting, you can give us a call on 057 913 7929 or email sales@appliedpi.com.